How to delete Spotify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Spotify account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser, and now here once you're inside, you can just tap on the search bar and there you can simply type in Spotify and search for it. Now here once you're inside the search result, you need to simply scroll down and there you'll see the welcome back link. So there you can just tap on it. And now here on the next page, you simply have to log in with your Spotify account. So simply log in with your Spotify account, and if possible, you may have to enter the code if you have set up the two-factor authentication as well. And once you're logged in, you'll see the interface like this. So here you can just tap on this option that says account overview. And now here, once you tap on it, on the next page, you'll see the interface like this. Now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down, and here in this section you'll see the option labeled as delete account. So just tap on it. And now here once you tap on it, on the next page you simply have to scroll down and check this box and tap on continue deleting account. Now here in this section you simply have to give a reason for deletion, and once you're done with it, you can just tap on delete account as well. And now here with that, if you scroll down, it will say you that you have to follow the link in the email sent, and your account will be still active until you take this step, and the link will expire in 24 hours. So here you can just tap on continue again and follow the on-screen steps to delete your Spotify account. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.